subscribe to our YouTube channel, and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Samsung has finally launched its new 5G-enabled smartphone under M series in Ukraine called Galaxy M14 5G. Now let's take a look at the specifications of this smartphone. The Galaxy M14 5G features a tall 6.6-inch Full HD Plus display with up to 90Hz refresh rate support. Under the hood, the phone is powered by Exynos 1330 chipset, paired with Mali G68 MP2 GPU. As per the storage, the smartphone packs with 4GB of RAM and 64 or 128GB of onboard storage, which is further expandable up to 1TB via dedicated microSD card slot. In terms of optics, the Galaxy M14 5G supports a vertically aligned triple camera setup at the top left corner that includes a 50MP main camera with f1.8 aperture, along with the 2MP macro and 2MP depth sensor with f2.4 aperture. For selfies, it has 13MP camera under the water drop notch at the top center with f2.0 aperture. On the software front, the headset runs on Android 13 out of the box based on One UI 5.0 skin on top, and it is backed by a massive 6000 mAh battery. Additionally, the smartphone also features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.2, GPS, NFC, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 166.8 by 77.2 by 9.4mm, and it weighs around 206 grams. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The Galaxy M14 5G has been priced in Ukraine for 4GB plus 64GB storage variant at 8,299 Ukrainian hryvnia, while the 4GB plus 128GB storage option is priced at 8,919 Ukrainian hryvnia. The smartphone is now available for purchase in the country in blue, dark blue, and silver color option. So what do you guys think of this Galaxy M14 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.
Yeah.